I got something to show you all. Actually, embroidery I did on toilet paper.
No way.
Yes.
These are super detailed. I love them.
And it's actually done on toilet paper.
How do you get that detail?
Hello today. I am so excited, you guys. This is Miss Janet from Ricoma Craft. You asked how to embroider on toilet paper. Here is all my examples. I'm going to teach you 2 ways how to embroider on this. This is a big hit. When I did it, I got $5 a roll. I just found out last week there's a man that he gets $8 a roll. Just think of the profit in that. You could do it as a gag gift, a Christmas gift. There's so much you can do with it. And I'm going to show you how to actually embroider on the toilet paper. Let's get started. First off, I want to tell you, I got 3 different rolls of toilet paper here. Did you know they come in different sizes, different brands? And this is something that you need to learn about this when you're going to embroider on your toilet paper. This one here is like an 1/8 of an inch taller. This one here is about 1/4 inch taller. And I didn't know that. And I pre-cut all of my felt to show you because I had 1 roll, and then when I went and bought more toilet paper, this was shorter. I mean, it's okay. I'm using it. And I'm using white and red to give you ideas, and I decorated it in the bags after I got done, and I just went to the dollar store and got these little bags and put the roll of toilet paper in it and decorated the top. I mean, we'll get to that later. So let's get started on how we're going to do this. This is done on heavy cut stabilizer. I digitized the square because that is the size of my toilet paper. It's going to fit right in here, and you will understand why I did this. I'm giving it to you, and it's going to be in the link below. So let's go do one in the machine, in the new Creator. Okay, I'm going to do the trace. I'm using the Mighty Hoop 7 by 0.25. With the laser, I can tell I'm right in the center. Now I'm going to push start to start embroidery. Okay, I'm going to take the hoop out now, and we are going to cut the center out. So I'm going to lay it on the table. Now, this is just a little trick because we have to make sure this lines up, and when we go to put it in the back into the hoop. So I'm just going to put a little arrow here on the stabilizer so I know it goes in the hoop like that. So now I'm going to turn it over, the hoop over. This is sticky back paper, tearaway stabilizer. And I'm just going to peel this off. And I'm going to lay it on the back of the stabilizer and press it down lightly. Then turn your hoop back over and press it again so it's good and stiff, sticky on the back of it. When you get your roll of toilet paper, you know how it's sticky onto the roll. You want to come over like 2 or 3 sheets. I'm going to untwist this because we don't want it to break. And I'm looking at my little tear points. Remember, when you're taking your toilet paper off, you want the roll to go off. I'm coming in 3, and you can see the perforated lines, and I'm going to lay that down in between my red line, trying to center it, and then I'm just going to press it down. Now, I'm going to unroll my toilet paper. I'm just unrolling it, and I'm going to set it down on the bottom of the machine, and I'm gently going to put it in the machine I made sure my toilet paper is unrolled over here on the side. And I pressed it down again. Now I sent the design over to the panel through Ricoma, so it's up there. Now I'm going to do a trace. It's okay. It's inside the toilet paper, so I'm going to go ahead and hit start. It's done, and now I'm going to take it over to the table and show you. Just be very careful with your toilet paper hanging down, and you can roll it up. We got our pumpkin on the table, the toilet paper. Now we're going to turn it over slightly and be careful not to rip your toilet paper. Let it lay loose. And now the sticky paper on the back, we're going to pull this up off of the stabilizer. And I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut, just a rough cut. It don't have to be perfect for right now. Be careful not to cut your toilet paper. I'm just doing a rough cut for right now. Now, I'm going to take this and push it through our hole that we made there. Now, I'm just going to set my hoop aside for a minute. Then I'm going to turn my toilet paper over. I can see where the paper is. I'm going to take my scissors, lift this up a little bit, and cut right on the edge with the toilet paper. It's sticky, so it will stick to your blades of your scissors. Now I'm pulling it back, my toilet paper back, and I'm going to go in here and cut this part off too. I'm going to go up here to the top and cut it right on the edge of the toilet paper. Again, sticking to my scissors. Now turn it over, and I'm going to lift this up just a bit. You can see where it is right there. And just cut it. Isn't this so cool? And you can use any designs that you would want. If you're going to do heavy design, you got a floating stabilizer under it. I got something better for that. All I'm going to do is roll this up. This is why it was important to make sure you embroidery on the right side of the toilet paper. Now, you can roll it tighter than me right now. I just want to show you. There, it's done. It is done. The toilet paper is done with the pumpkin and the pumpkin pie. Isn't this great? Like I said, I got these little bags at the dollar store. Okay, I like using these little bags. You can use tulle or anything that you like. I got 20 of these for $1.25. So that's not bad. And you just put it inside the bag. And I do a little twisty tie comes with it. Then I got some orange ribbon here, and I'm going to tie a bow around it. And I'm going to show you something else that I can do. This is a pumpkin I made, and it was done in an embroidery hoop and section. I can take my leaves and make leaves here, and I can embroider a leaf and hang it on there. Like I did the Christmas ornaments, I could put leaves on here and decorate it up. Now, I'm going to show you another way to use this too. And this is a little, set this right here so you can see it. Remember how we did our little opening here? Now, I can use this over and over and over again. So, if we wanted to embroider another roll of toilet paper, I got the sticky back stabilizer tearaway. Tear it and cover up my hole again. Turn it over. Press it down. Remember, I got my arrows there. Now, I'm using the felt. Here's one that I already did on the felt. And this is a little bit heavier design, and it works out good with felt. If you don't want to risk it by embroidering on the toilet paper, you can also do the felt, and you just take the roll of toilet paper and you wrap it around your toilet paper. Now remember, we found out that all sizes of toilet paper are different sizes. So you have to measure and get the right length of your of your felt that will fit on your roll of toilet paper. And then you could just put it inside a bag or however you want to decorate it. And you could put any designs that you want on the felt because it will be thick enough that it will hold your stitches. So that is a little trick that you can do. And you could just take your felt, fold it in half, and lay it on your sticky in there in your square. And you go to your machine and choose your design and embroider it out. It's that easy. You could do anything that you want. I love doing this. I did a red one over here and did a snowflake. You can use any color you want. You could decorate, and you could do it for all the different holidays. And this is why I like this. I did this 10 years ago. Now it's coming back around. People are shocked that you can actually embroider on toilet paper. I told you I would show you how it's done, and I hope you like this episode. Please subscribe, like, and share. We got lots more coming your way. Thank you for coming. Bye.